As we navigate through and beyond COVID-19, the health and safety of our patients, visitors, employees, physicians, and volunteers is our top priority. From our emergency rooms to our hospital patient care areas and physician offices, St. Peter's Healthcare System has put stringent safety and patient care protocols in place to prevent and reduce the spread of coronavirus. And as we resume elective surgeries, medical procedures, and office visits, we've enhanced our already vigorous cleaning procedures by ensuring that our facilities are properly disinfected. When patients are discharged, the rooms are deep cleaned with equipment that efficiently and evenly distributes disinfectant across all surfaces, from fixtures, bed frames, to privacy curtains. Our environmental services staff wipes down and disinfects every item in the room. We also tackle environmental cleaning head-on with our Xenex LightStrike germ-zapping robot that destroys antibiotic-resistant bacteria in minutes. Plus, our physician offices, patient care, and waiting areas are also meticulously cleaned from top to bottom with germicidal disinfectant. It's our commitment to deliver exceptional care and safety for exceptional times. St. Peter's Healthcare System, safely treating you better for life.